Wait a minute. You guys are back to doing this. Why would, first of all, you guys don't even have a tag name, so why would you even get a shot at the tag team titles?
You can call us anything you want. How about the Sons of Destruction? That work for you? We have a tag name.
The Sons of Destruction.
Yeah. Now we deserve a shot at the title.
No, I don't think you do, because while you guys haven't been a tag team for the whole year, the Anthony Express has been rolling through people. So you know what? If anybody's going to get a shot at the AIWF World Tag Team titles, it's the Anthony Express.
Tony might not be here right now, but we are the Mid-South Tag Team Champions. If anyone deserves a shot at the World Tag Team Champions, it's us.
Now that the greatest tag team in Pro Wrestling Mid-South history has your attention, I hear you whatever this is supposed to be. Anyways, I hear all three teams talking about the AIWF Tag Team Championships. Instead of complaining, how about all of you just shut up and mind your business? Instead of complaining about a World Tag Team title shot for the AIWF Tag Team Championships, you all should be saying, thank you, troublemakers. Thank you for making all this possible. Because if it weren't for us, you would still have a mask on. You wouldn't know your son. You two would be whatever. You would still be Cameron Cohal. He would still just be as bad as he always is. This is Chad Austin. I'm Rob Baker. We're the troublemakers. And we deserve our shots first at the AIWF Tag Team Championships.
Some of us. I love three of these tag teams out here. I gotta be honest. But I really don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do about the situation other than this. Next week, in this very ring, we're going to have a four-way elimination tag team match. And the winner of that match, correct myself, will go on to face the AIWF World Tag Team Champion at the end of this month. So that's settled. Next week is settled. That's what's going to happen. But you know, I think maybe Jonathan would actually agree with me for a change on that our tag teams may need a warm-up and have that tonight. So, later tonight, we're going to have a couple of matches. squashed in real quick. You're banned from ringside of that match. Which brings me to another warm-up match, which is also going to be a handicap match, in which Xavier, you're facing the Sons of Destruction. And you know, like I said, Greg, you go ahead and get out the ring, you're banned for ringside because that match starts right now. Get a ref out of here.
Why don't you leave? Shut up, over there.
This is your opening contest of the evening, and it is a handicap match. Simple recall with a 30-minute time limit. Introducing first, weighing in at 126.5 kilos, combined with 280 pounds, the team of David Jason Rose and the Uber Destroyer, the Sons of Destruction. From Dyersburg, Tennessee, weighing 230 pounds, the 2025 winner, Xavier Anthony.
I saw the golden boy handshake something. Check it. I know I saw the golden boy handshake something. You will not even have to break this back. I will. Hey, one That's all you have? The golden child? USA! 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 He needs your help! Come on, let's go! David! David!
Of David Jason Rose and the Uber Destroyer, the Sons of Destruction.
Thank you.